Namaste Jai Hind all. Today I am here with MCQs on preamble. I have made two different part 1 and part 2 for preamble, and I have already taught you in my video what is preamble, how important it is, and there are different terms that have the different meanings that should be easily understood by you, I hope, from the video, and accordingly the question has been framed. Just you go through the MCQs and answers. If there is any query and doubt, you just comment and let me know. Accordingly I am going to give the more explanation if it is expected from your side. Preamble to the Constitution of India. Now we are here with MCQs on preamble. So it's the time to test MCQs. Question number 1. Which of the following word has not been written in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? A. Sovereign. B. Socialist. C. Democratic. D. Indians. The correct answer is answer D. Indians. Question number 2. Which statement is not correct in the case of sovereign India? A. India is not dependent on any country. B. India is not a colony of any other country. C. India can give any part of the country to any other country. D. India is obliged to obey the UN in its internal affairs. The correct answer is answer D. That is, India is obliged to obey the UN in its internal affairs. Question number 3. Which of the following statement is not true? A. The date of implementation of the Indian Constitution is November 26, 1949. B. The secular word was added by the 42nd Constitution Amendment. C. The 42nd Constitutional Amendment was done in 1976. D. Social, economic and political justice has been taken from the Russian Revolution in the Indian Constitution. The correct answer is answer A. The date of implementation of the Indian Constitution is November 26, 1949. Question 4. What is the true meaning of secular? A. All religions are equal in the eyes of the government. B. Special importance to a religion related to minorities. C. One religion is promoted by the government. D. None of the following. The correct answer is answer A. All religions are equal in the eyes of the government. Question number 5. K. M. Munshi was related to. Now we have to find out which committee. A. Constitution Draft Committee. B. Preamble Committee. C. Public Account Committee. D. None of the following. The correct answer is answer A. Constitution of Draft Committee. Question number 6. Which year is related to Berubari case? A. 1972. B. 1976. C. 1970. D. 1960. The correct answer is answer D. 1960. Question number 7. Who among the following said that the preamble of the Indian Constitution is the keynote of the Constitution? A. Ernest Barker. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. D. Nelson Mandela. The correct answer is answer A. Ernest Barker. Question number 8. What is the meaning of social equality in the Indian Constitution? A. Lack of opportunities. B. Lack of equality. C. Equal opportunities for all sections of the societies. D. None of the following. The correct answer is answer C. Equal opportunities for all the sections of the societies. Question number 9. The correct sequence of the following words in the preamble is. Now we have to see the correct sequence. A. Sovereign, democratic, socialist, secular republic. B. Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. C. Sovereign, socialist, democratic, secular republic. D. None of the above. The correct answer is answer B. Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. If you want to answer, you just pause the video and then go through the question and answer, then check the right answer. Question number 10. The language of preamble of the Indian Constitution is taken from the Constitution of. Now we have to find out the Constitution. A. America. B. Canada. C. Australia. D. Ireland. The correct answer is answer C. Australia. The language of preamble. Question number 11. Which of the given statement is incorrect? A. According to the Supreme Court in the Keshavanand Bharati case, preamble cannot be amended. B. Sovereignty means that there is no authority of the government either outside or inside the country. C. The Constitution 42nd Amendment Act 1976 introduced the words socialist, secular and integrity into the preamble. D. The concept of basic features was introduced by the Supreme Court in the Berubari case 1960. So we have to see the incorrect one. Answer D. The concept of basic features was introduced by the Supreme Court in the Berubari case 1960. Preamble is important due to these following reasons. 1. The Supreme Court in the Berubari case ruled that Preamble is a part of the constitution. Second, in Keswanand Bharti case, reversed the decision and ruled that preamble is not a part of the constitution. Which of the above statement is are true? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, D. neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is answer D. neither 1 nor 2. 13. Preamble is important due to these following reasons. First, preamble contains the essence of constitution, its values and goals. Second, it has the basic feature of the constitution. Third, if there is any lack of clarity in the constitution, the judiciary turns to the preamble in its interpretation of the relevant provision. Fourth, it is a microcosm of the constitution. Now, which of the above statement is true? A. 1 and 4 only, B. 1, 2 and 4 only, C. 1, 3 and 4 only, D. all of the above. The correct answer is D. all of the above. Question number 14. In which year was the 42nd Amendment laid? A. 1950, B. 1976, C. 1947, D. 1962. The correct answer is answer B. 1976. Question number 15. Which of the following is described as the soul of the Constitution? A. Fundamental rights, B. Fundamental duties, C. Directive principle of state policy, D. Preamble. The correct answer is D. Preamble. Question number 16. The preamble to the Indian Constitution is based on A. Philosophy of India, B. Objective resolution drafted and moved by Pandit Nehru, C. Indian culture, D. Religious concept. The correct answer is answer B. Objective resolution drafted and moved by Pandit Nehru. Question number 17. The term we in preamble means A. Indian government, B. Supreme Court, C. Indian Parliament, D. the people of India. So the correct answer is D. the people of India, as the preamble begins with the people of India. Question number 18. Indian Constitution ensures justice in which of the following form? A. Social, B. Economic, C. Political, D. all of the above. The correct answer is answer D. all of the above. Question number 19. Preamble has been amended by which Amendment Act? A. 27th Constitutional Amendment, B. 42nd Constitutional Amendment, C. 44th Constitutional Amendment, D. 40th Constitutional Amendment. The correct answer is B. 42nd Constitutional Amendment. Question number 20. In which case the Supreme Court specifically opined that preamble is not a part of the Constitution? A. Berubari Union case, B. Keswanand Bharti case, C. both A and B, D. none of the above. The correct answer is answer A. Berubari Union case. Question number 21. In which case the Supreme Court rejected the earlier opinion and held that preamble is an integral part of the Constitution? A. Berubari Union case, B. Keswanand Bharti case, C. both A and B, D. none of the above. The correct answer is answer B. Keswanand Bharti case. Question number 22. The preamble states that the Constitution derives its authority from A. Indian culture, B. Government of India, C. the people of India, D. princely states. The correct answer is answer C. the people of India. Question number 23. As per preamble, date of adoption of the Constitution is A. 26 January 1950, B. 26 November 1949, C. 11th December 1946, D. none of the above. The correct answer is answer B. 26 November 1949. Question number 24. 42nd Constitutional Amendment 1976 added which of the terms to the preamble? A. Socialist, B. Secular, C. Sovereign, D. both A and B. The correct answer is answer D. both A and B. Question number 25. The last question. Which part of the Indian Constitution expressly declares that India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic? A. Fundamental rights, B. Directive principle of state policy, C. Preamble, D. Fundamental duties. The correct answer is answer C, that is Preamble. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. If there is any query, kindly comment and let me know what type of more questions you want. There is a next series of this. I will update with some more questions that I have collected on preamble topic. So kindly suggest if there is a bilingual issue, just let me know. Accordingly, I am going to let you know the answers in both the language, English and Hindi.